Hi, what is up, everyone? What is up? I'd like to welcome you to the first or premiere American Sign Language video on my ASL YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, okay? You are going to learn a lot. I do have to throw out a disclosure to let you all know that I am not, I repeat, I am not fluent in American Sign Language. However, I do meet the criteria to teach the basics of American Sign Language, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, okay? And then in future videos, I'm gonna give tidbits of information about American Sign Language, the history of American Sign Language, where it derived from, and how it continues to evolve, okay? But for this premiere video, I want to go ahead and get started, okay? Now, what you have to keep in mind is the foundation of American Sign Language. What is the foundation? Well, the foundation of American Sign Language is the ASL alphabet, right? So that's very important for you to know, and that's going to be what I teach you in this premiere video, all right? So why is knowing the alphabet so important? Well, there may be times where you are not, or you do not have the knowledge of how to sign a certain word, right? And so if you don't have that knowledge, you don't want to make something up, okay? You definitely do not want to make up signs. So if you don't know how to sign a certain word, you can always fingerspell it, right? So let's go ahead and get started with the ASL alphabet. Okay, so the first letter is A. You're going to, if you just hold your hand up like so and make a fist with the thumb on the outside, this is the letter A. I'm gonna turn my hand around, so this is how it will look. Okay, and you always want to finger spell face forward, okay? So here's the A. B. Now, you can either have your thumb slanted across your palm, or you can do the modified B, okay? When finger spelling, a lot of times I will use the modified B. So you have A, B, or B if you want to drape your thumb across the palm of your hand. And then for C, you're just going to cup your hand like so, C. D, your middle finger is going to be touching your thumb. All other fingers will be curled over except for your index finger, D. I'm trying to move it over here so y'all can see better, D. Okay, so we have A, B, C, D, and now E, you're just gonna take this index finger and bring it down to your thumb, okay? E. E. A, let me move my hand over, B, C, D, E. F, you're going to, your thumb and your index finger will be touching like so, okay? F, and your other three fingers will be up, F. A, or let me scoot over here, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G, your thumb and index finger. So you have my thumb and index finger are, and then you're going to turn it with the opening to the left. If you're left-handed, then your opening will go to the right, okay? So G, just like this, and turn it, G. H, your index finger and middle finger will be pointing in the opposite direction, okay, H. And then again, if you're left-handed, it will be pointing to the right. Right-handed, your index and middle finger will be pointing to the left, H. I, you're gonna stick up your middle finger. Oh, not your middle finger, don't stick up your middle finger, your little finger, okay? Little finger for I. So let's begin. Let's sign from A to I, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Good job. All right. Now we're going to go ahead with letters J through Z, okay? So J, you're going to take your little finger and you're just going to trace the letter J. J, okay? J. J. K, your thumb will come in between your index finger and middle finger like so. K. Okay, just like this. K. L, your thumb will be pointing to the left and your index finger will be straight. Okay, L.